Quick question for you here. When you're watching a movie on a foldable, you don't really get much additional screen space, slightly larger than if I were just using a regular phone screen. So I was talking to someone about how I like to use tent mode to watch my movies, and they looked at me like I was kind of crazy. They greatly preferred going in the flex mode. Yeah, I can kind of understand that. It looks like a little baby laptop, but the thing I don't like about flex mode is you kind of have to go outer screen down, because otherwise the camera bulges makes these things kind of a little unstable or a little waka waka. The Pixel Fold being a little better at this because of how wide the camera bar is, but you can kind of miss me with the huge camera bulge on the OnePlus Open. I like to go tent mode because then you can kind of prop the angle up just like you would with the flex mode, but you don't have to worry about any of the sensitive bits like your camera bar or the outer screen getting raked on any type of rough surface. But they thought that was silly because then that kind of blocks your volume controls, your power button, and your fingerprint sensor. So I ask you, how do you watch your movies on a foldable and get the best use out of a hinged bendy phone? Drop me a comment down below.